We are going to start in next 2 to 3 minutes. Please have more people come and join. We have approximately today so far 3,360 members. So let's ask others to come because it's very good surprising news around. Thank you. Starting in 2 to 3 minutes. Joining this Bitcoin Zero webinar.
Recording in progress.
Thank you for joining this Bitcoin Zero webinar. Today is 25th August 2022. And we are here again interacting with each other regarding the further things we are doing with the BTCZ. So everyone knows all the information because of the decentralization of awareness in this program. Since we are not driving any official social media channel, which is very rare, by the way, but we want to keep the mechanism and roadmap same as Bitcoin narrative in the past. So since there is no official channel for Bitcoin, we just tried to opt the very same footprints that we can do with the Bitcoin Zero. So the motto is same that we keep building the consensus of community for Bitcoin Zero, and we keep growing ourselves. So first of all, thank you so much for coming. Can I see your hands, please? Everyone, kindly raise your hand because we are driving something together. Can I see more hands, please? My hand here. Okay, thank you so much for raising your hands. So let's go ahead and move on to some basic understanding of what happened in last 9 days. The launch was on 16th August, approximately the same time, and today is 25th. So I believe, 9 days of BTCZ. And what have been achieved in last 9 days. And it's too soon to say about the achievement part because we are still just learning on how to perform the functions like how to claim the miner, how to then connect the dApp, then how to connect the miner, the balances for BNB, BUSD, ZWAT, harvesting, and all those things. So we are still in very, very early learning phase. Only few people they have knowledge of all these. Then liquidity providation to the pool and become part of passive earning and all those things. So it's very early to talk about the narration of the last 9 days of achievement. Achievement will be there once we follow the right way of moving ahead. So let me go to the my screen and let me wait. Yeah, share my screen. Can you guys confirm that you can see my screen? Can I see some
Yes,
hands?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible. It is visible.
Thank you for raising your hands as well. Well, always we start with the the web page. So let's look into the phenomena part. I discussed about the phenomena part in my last Zoom session, right? So far, if you see what has changed in last 9 or 10 days, right? And apart from more, you can see the hash rate is keep moving up. More miners are connecting every day. From my last Zoom to today, I'll check on MetaMask. I believe more than 2,500 miners are more activated than the last time. So I will show that too. So a growth of 2,000, 3,000 members in a 9 days time, or 2 or 3,000 miners in hash power in very early stage in a week time, when things are now starting to go up. Not now, I mean, yeah, with next coming weeks, things will start going up. The narration is made that what is BTCZ, and the tech is in place. So functionality wise, text wise, and narration wise, what we have been talking from last 3 months, we have delivered all together. So apart from just the miner side, so we have completed approximately 21,257 miners distribution, and approximately 12,484 addresses, and transfers are more than 40,000. So in 9 days, this is a matrix of holders and transfers in the miner side, which is keep going up. Which is going up. So apart from this bigger participation from the community side, what else we have achieved? So Genesis block was created on August 16, 2022, approximately 00 hours GMT, 9 days before harvesting cost. So the first day, the people who started harvesting Bitcoin Zero on 16th of August, they all have paid approximately 6.25 to 6.40 of harvesting cost, because day one, every day as miners are growing, as hash power is growing, since your consumption is same, I explained you, it's like when you turn on a bulb, and if your bulb is on for 24 hours, it will consume the same part of the electricity, or you can say hash power. So since your miner is, if you go and if you check the miners, your miners, you will find hash power, and you will also find the consumption, which is 10. So consumption 10 means you can look at these your NFTs of SHA-256 algo. So these things, consumptions and hash power. Let me go to the browser. So you can see the MetaMask wallet, DApp, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So on the, if you go to the your miner, right, your SHA-256 miner, so two things are on a smart contract which can't be changed, because if they are not on a smart contract, then the main net will not work. The first thing is hash power. The second thing is consumption. This is like cannot be changed because a smart contract is written, and the product is already out. How it can be changed? It can be changed only when you have series 2 or series 3, because after a couple of months, or you will be needing the another miner, because in couple of months there will be hundreds of the thousands of the miners. I believe more than 100,000 miners we will have in next 3 to 4 next 6 months. The way this is growing every week. So then probably this miner start producing a very less amount. So the only way is like the new series of miners. So the excitement is always there in the market regarding the miner side. Consumption is 10, which means every hour you are consuming 10 kilowatt on your miner. So this cannot be changed, and hash power also cannot be changed. So consumption is 10, right, every hour, which means 224 multiplied by 10 is equal to 240 kilowatt of consumption. If your miner is connected with the node, this is what you are consuming every day on every single miner, right? Now 240, and the cost of ZWatt is 0.02, which means $4.80. So this is on the consumption side, that every miner is consuming 4.80, approximately $5 worth of ZWatt, which is fixed, which cannot be changed because consumption power cannot be changed. The ZWatt price cannot be changed. So the 24-hour consumption of one miner is 4.80. This is the minimum amount. This is the basic for any single miner. So if you have 10 miners, for example, in one wallet, then you have daily consumption of 48.50. If you have 10 miners, then basically this is your daily consumption. So basically, the consumption is not changing. This is one fixed consumption, which is like when you buy, if you do the Bitcoin mining as well, right? What you need a hardware and you need electricity. Hardware, when you buy the hardware, you connect it with the electricity, and you keep your miner on for 24 hours because this is how you mine Bitcoins. So basically, your hardware consumption for 24 hour is same. It cannot be changed. And then why the price of the mining is going high when the consumption is same? The price of mining is going high because of so rewards are getting smaller in half. Your consumption cannot be changed, but what is the operational cost then? Operational cost is reward divided by consumption. This is your operational cost. As the rewards are going smaller, basically your or you can say operational cost in terms of Bitcoin, and in terms of BTCZ, you say harvesting. So whether it's operational cost or it's a harvesting cost, it is always reward divided by consumption. So as my rewards are getting smaller, let's say earlier my reward was, for example, 4.8. And my consumption was, let's say, 4.8, which means that the harvesting cost is $1. This is one example I'm giving you, which is not possible because of the minimum harvesting cost 6.25 came because reward was not 4.8 to every miner every day, because more miners they participated. And when your reward goes to 0.48, but your consumption power will remain same, your harvesting cost will become $10. And when your consumption cost go more smaller, your harvesting cost becoming much more higher. So what I'm trying to say here is that why this is how the harvesting cost is going higher. People, we've been talking about that harvesting cost is going higher because more miners are participating. So far, I was keeping this narrative, but just to give you the mathematical approach towards why harvesting cost is going more up, while mining. I mean, what is the reason? Okay, so mining hash rate you understand, but just for the normal formula in a mathematical approach, so because rewards are going smaller, the harvesting cost is becoming bigger. The same fundamental of Bitcoin mining, that the operational cost is equal to the reward divided by their consumption. So their consumption was same, but reward was getting lesser and lesser after halving from 50 to 25, then from 25 to 12.5 rewards every 10 minutes, what made their operational cost double, 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, 16 times, like that. So so the very basic example of how this harvesting cost is going up, which I have written, that started from 6.25 to 6.40. Current harvesting cost of 1 BTCZ is around this. Because more miners are coming in, which means more hash power is going up, which means the rewards per day is getting smaller. This is like daily reward example, daily mining example. The rewards are going, the number of hash power is getting up, which means the rewards are getting smaller. Because of rewards are getting smaller and your consumption is constant, which is same, the harvesting cost is going up. So this was a basic example of when we will have the 10 times of mining community than today. So let's say today we have approximately 13,000 miners connected to the node. For example, let's say 13,000 miners are connected to the node. And let's keep an example that daily, okay, so 7,200 supply divided by 13,000 miners, which means that every miner is making in this calculation 7,200 BTCZ minting in 24 hours divided by 13,000. So every miner is making 0.55 BTCZ a day. It cannot be changed. On this example of 13,000 miners, everyone is getting 0.55. Now, it depends on how many miners one have. Always just divide 7,200 and then on the DApp, you can always see, I'm just showing you, like everyone can calculate things themselves. If you understand me so far, please read your hand so that I can give you more visibility of the approach side. How many people are understanding? Can I see their hands, please? It's very basic mathematics of like grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. So thank you. I'm just giving the proper approach towards how to understand the metrics. So because it's a DApp and everything should be visible, which is visible. I don't know how many of you have done this. So total hash power today is 13,828 multiplied by 1,000, which means 13,828 miners are connected with the node. If tomorrow you see 13,800, even 30, two more, which means that your reward is divided into two more miners, which means your part of your you can say fraction of your reward is now more smaller because you shared it with two more people. So on this example, let's say we just make it like 13,000. Let's take an example. Sorry, not this screen. 13,000 miners are connected, and this is fixed, which is your supply a day. Everyday supply is 7,200 for the first 4 years. Then it will be half of it, which will be 3,600 every day after 4 years. And then you have number of miners connected. So on this particular matrix of database, every miner is making 0.55 BTCZ a day. The moment we go to, let's say, 26,000 miners, which means you will see on your dashboard itself that there are 26,000 miners connected. Then what will be the, on this example, what will be the daily mining divided by 26,000, for example, which is just half of 0.55, so 0.275 BTCZ a day each miner. And let's say what happens if 130,000 miners are connected, for example, it will be 7,200. It cannot be changed, divided by 130,000, which means 0.055 BTCZ a day. And each miner consumption cost is fixed, which is $4.8. So today, your harvesting cost is, in example number 1, which is this example of 13,000 member today. So if you divide approximately 0.5, though we have approximately 14,000, so matrix will not match, but 0.55 divided by 4.8. This is approximately today cost 13,800 some people. So let me divide point 7,200 divided by 13,858. 0.5195 divided by 4.8. Okay, so around $9.15 on correct databases. When we will have 26,000 miners in the miner, then it will be 0.275, right? So 0.275 divided by 4.8. In this example, the harvesting cost will be 0.275 divided by 4.8 multiplied by 100, right? 0.275 divided by 4.8. Wait, I'm mistaking something. 0.55 divided by 2.275 a day. $4.8. Just give me a second. Uh, I don't know. I'm making some mistakes, but basically your rewards are getting smaller, and this is why your harvesting cost is going up because your consumption is same. So when you will have 26,000 miners, basically your reward will be half of this. Against the cost of consumption is same. So basically the harvesting cost will be double the moment we received 26,000 members. And harvesting cost will be 10 times than today. Let's say today is $9. So harvesting cost will be $90 once we receive 130,000 miners. How many of you understand this simple thing? That if we will have 130,000 miners, if we grow the community, the harvesting cost will be $80. So everyone who is mining from day one, getting more rewards with the same consumption, and then their rewards are going smaller, but it's accumulated. So if you have not even harvested today, you're still receiving reward on a less cost basis. It's accumulating all together. So there is, it's not, what I'm trying to emphasize here is your harvesting cost is like accumulation of your daily earning, your daily reward, and you can harvest when you want, when you think this thing is going up. So as a miner, you are benefited because you are not losing any money. If the value is getting built, if the price after 6 months, if there are 130,000 miners in 6 months, and if the market price is $80, $90, you still mined for $8, $9. Still mined because your reward is already in the system. You just have to harvest. So even after 6 months, you harvest. You harvested like on 10x price in the market. So the target is not the harvesting here. That definitely we need harvesting, but the people, because crypto is very volatile sector, early stage, investment in crypto is always more volatile. But the thing is that since you are not harvesting, you are not making any investment in BTCZ. You have zero investment in BTCZ unless you are not harvesting. So we should start promoting mining so that people mine at least on lesser cost. And with 6 months, when things start getting built up and harvesting cost, the target is 10 times more miners than today. That is the target we will work on. So the target is 130,000 miners mining BTCZ. And if we reach that target, then definitely the cost of BTCZ will be $80, $90. You can harvest then, right? But more miners in the early stage, more rewards. So in just 9 days, the rewards are going down because more miners are coming, but we are still lucky that there are only 13,000 miners connected. There will be millions of miners connected in future years. So this is the phenomena where BTCZ is the safe and zero investment for anyone with a multi-folded return promises in the future. You only harvest if you don't want to invest. You only harvest when you want to, harvest later on. That's not a problem. But on the other side, harvesting is important because of if you have this vision. So if you have this vision, basically there are two things, because these are some of the most frequently asked question. Why market price is close to harvesting cost? That harvesting is 8.6, market price is 8.8 or 8.9 or 9.2, 9.5, sometimes 10, again going back, because when anyone see that they can gain money, because you can see your harvesting cost and you can see the market cost. For you, it's just 30 seconds of making money process. On one hand, you put $10, on other hand, you take $12, $11. So still it's a money. It's a profit trade. Today, this profit trade is on a smaller size because the supply is less, which I have written, less supply, less liquidity. And the size of your trade is basically $5, $10, $15, a ticket size of maximum $50 or maximum $100, not more than that, because on such less liquidity pool, if you have more than 15% impact, the transaction doesn't work. This is the good sign of DEXs, that the inflation of token index has much more, lesser, you can say, approach, or it's much more hard to do a lot of speculation on DEX in terms of inflation of price of project, because on centralized exchanges you can create a sell wall yourself and you can move the price as much as you want. But in DEX, if you try to buy even right now for 200 BUSD worth of BTCZ, your trade will not go through. Even the swap button will not be active, because it will say your price impact is more than 15%. So less inflation and more corrected price. The first reason of having the market price close to the harvesting cost. The second reason is that if you see the price, it's quite stagnant between $8.2 to 9.2. It is stagnant. It's like going to with such less liquidity, where you can make it to $2 in 1 minute. You can make it to even $1 in 1 minute. But on the other side, what is the profit for the community, or you can say no loss to the community if you come here? It's 8.69. If somebody sell right now on my live call, it will go more down. That's not a problem, because it's market is very small right now. People who are selling are able to sell also at lesser price. Their price impact is also 15% down when they sell. So you can see, right, pool is around only 2.05 so far. We started with only 0.98. I'm happy we have 118. Trade is important, because trade creates more awareness and trade creates more better pool. But if you see the graph side, if you just squeeze the graph and you see this green line in between, this green round line, which is a median from, you can say, last 1 week, is around $8.7. $8.67 is the uh, average price of BTCZ over last 1 week. Okay, it goes to up every time. It's this is trade, right? This is why you see this heart line structure. So it is stagnant, which I mean to say, it's not like $8 to $15, from $15 to $1, from $1 to again $13. Such stagnant graph is a proof of the harvesting cost. This is a price correction, self-price correction mechanism of Bitcoin. The moment you see that your harvesting cost is higher than market cost, you will not harvest because you don't want to lose the money. So it's a straight trade. It's a straight trade. You can see from your eyes whether you are buying this crypto in profit or loss with just 1 second. Check the harvesting cost, check the market price. Check the harvesting cost, check the market price. You know your buy price and you know your sell rate. What better visibility one can need on any crypto? You have buy sell both rate different, almost same, plus minus, you can see everything. So since the harvesting cost will keep moving up, the price of, or the average BTCZ price will also keep moving up. Because if you harvest on $11, if Bitcoin price come back to $8.69, you will not sell here because you don't want to sell in loss. And for a person like me, if I will see that I am able to buy BTCZ at $8.77, and if I am harvesting on my phone, I'm paying $10, what do you think I will do? I will buy, I will not harvest. Because harvesting is $10, which means I am not getting BTCZ for less than $10, but in market, the price is 8.66. So for me, the better trade is to buy it at 8.66 because I cannot get that price anywhere, or anyone cannot get. So every time it comes down, the smart people who understand the trade, what they do, see, it comes to 7.3. Why this person buy from 7.73? Because he realized that the next hour trade will be on above price, because our next day trade will be on above price, or next week or next month or after 6 month trade will be on very above price. Whenever they see the harvesting cost is higher and market price is low, they buy, because they see that this is the last opportunity to buy at this price, because all the miners are harvesting at the higher price. This is why you have such a stable coin kind of chart. But this chart is 7 days chart. Only 7 days chart. So once we will have more miners coming, harvesting cost more higher, the price will keep moving up. So probably we will be looking at much better chart in 6 months from here, but stable. If it moves to $9, it will stay at around $9. When it will move to $10, it will stay around $10. So more harvesting is happening, and price correction mechanism is when the price goes down in market, people don't harvest, they buy, because they know it's profit already for them. So this is the basic phenomena. So I have received email from the tech department that this is the most frequently asked question, that why market price is close to harvesting cost, or how we can sell our BTCZ at premium. If you see Bitcoin from 2009 to 2022, this price growth was over a period of time. The people who did not sell their Bitcoins in 2017-18 for, let's say, $20,000, they have got the opportunity of selling it for the $69,000 2022. So premium comes with holding. So there is a big difference between traders and holders. Traders are trading because they are professional, they spend their time on it, they understand these calculations, and they book a short-term profit. because trading is working. So they keep booking the short-term profit, and they make good for them. On the other side, if you're holding a good project, if you're holding a good crypto, you are not working, your holding rewards you. So everyone cannot become trader, and everyone cannot become holder. A proper knowledge, a proper understanding of project, the proper basic fundamental understanding of the project is what keep holders holding, because they want to book multifolded results. On the other side, traders are important. So even for an eye from the eye of from an eye of trader, what is trader? When he sees that he can make money. So when he sees the price in market is 9.20, his harvesting cost is, let's say, 8.80. He sees 5% trade profit. He sees that I can harvest right now my 10 BTCZ for 8.80, and I can sell in market right now for 9.20. So I will make 40 cents profit on this trade. So he watched as a trader point of view. Today for him it's 40 cents profit because the size of trade is small. But when the trader will start trading for 10K, 15K, then instead of 10 BUSD, 15 BUSD, then this 40 cents become 4,000, 40,000 profit booking scenario. So for a trader point of view, if he sees there's a profit, he sells in the market. Because he's a trader, he will buy it back when he will think like, oh, it is now going up. So this is the reason that the market price is close to the harvesting cost, because first of all, speculation. People are speculating, and speculation in any financial market. Crypto market is so rewarding because it's most highly speculated market. Speculation rate is very high in crypto industry. That's why you see tokens going 10x and you see token going down 90%, because a huge speculation market. This is why they say crypto market is a very volatile market, and one should invest on a good risk percentage, or because of speculation is big. Rather than the exchange or commodity, or the share market or commodity market. Crypto market is much highly speculated. Less supply means the pool is very small, so even if somebody sells for $20, the price goes down to 5-10%, because pool is small. With the time, the pool will get stronger and stronger. The price impact will be very small, highly visible. A lot of trade can make the price difference for sure, but on small sales, the price won't have impact. It's merely some point percentage of impact, unless it's not a very big sell order or a very big buy order. So very same way, when the liquidity will be increasing automatically because of trading of people who are trading. So first of all, I'm very thankful to the traders, because you cannot imagine, I mean, on total liquidity of $2,000, we have more than $1,000 of trading volume, which is more than 50% of liquidity. So traders are doing good job. Because of their trades, we are able to get this liquidity. And also liquidity providers, the people who are becoming the liquidity provider, and then from the trader side, in 9 days, from 1 BTCZ to 117 BTCZ has been achieved. More trades, better liquidity, less price impact. And then when there will be less price impact, then the price will be much more clear and visible to everyone. Then it's very early stage, like I mentioned. It's 9 days at zero minted token, hardly 65,000 supply, circulating supply, which means these many tokens have been mined. Out of, let's say, of those 63,000, you can check on BTCZ smart contract as well. Let's say 10,000 tokens are harvested. So you can see the holders and harvested, that how many tokens are harvested by dividing it from by deducting it from total supply, because rest of the coins are still in your node. belonged to your wallet address. So no one, if you are not harvesting, no one can claim those coins. Neither the node nor BTCZ is going to claim those coins. It is with your node, the miner belong to your private keys, your wallet. So this is your reward. So the supply is going in the market, but the real actual supply in the markets are the harvested BTCZs. Traders are playing a big role in harvesting because once they harvest, they take it in their wallet and then they are able to trade. So uh, all the supply in the market right now, 80-90% is from the trader side. Uh, Difference between I have said, and also don't forget, this is something which will happen and then again happen and then again happen. The market and promotional model is same like before. Let me check with you guys. Are you with me? Because we are moving towards a very exciting thing now.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to talk about a very exciting thing. So please raise your hand as many people can raise because it's going to be very exciting for all of you. Can I see more hands, please? And more exciting news will come. So when we talk about promoting any product to community, right? Uh, there is something which is very interesting is that the model we choose to promote. Either everyone has a single, a referral model, which is like if you refer someone, you get some referral bonus or cashback. And then there are multi-level marketing models as well. Since BTCZ cannot be a part of multi-level marketing, first of all, because there is no admin, nothing. So we cannot do anything with the multi-level marketing. From day one, all of us have participated in the project because it was not multi-level marketing project. So since BTCZ is not a multi-level marketing project, so what is another way of promoting BTCZ? Because once the miners airdrop will be over, right now everybody is excited because of the airdrop is going on, zero investment, get the miner for free, then get the Z fuel for free, and then you can wait for months and years, and if you see everything is good, then you book your profit. With BTCZ, profit loss table is very clear. So, and because it's two prices showing at, one is at your wallet dashboard, one is at the your pancake swap dashboard. So your decision is like just a blink of an eye. So what about the other referral models which some of the giants have used in the market and authentic legal referral models? For example, let's talk about Binance as the referral model of Binance. So what is the Binance referral model? Which is not a multi-level marketing model, but a very successing model, which played one of the biggest role in giving Binance the biggest community was the Binance referral model. Not was, is the Binance referral model, which is still there in the market. So anyone can Google because it's very basic. It's on Binance website. What is Binance referral model? And so what Binance does basically with a referral model is like you have a referral code. Let's say KD 25th August 2022. So let's say my referral code. And if somebody sign up to Binance, I'm sorry, sign up to Binance with my referral code, using my referral code, then I get reward of some percentage of trading fee from the referred account. Let's say my name is Karn and I referred, let's say, someone named Satish. Satish used my code, and Satish did, let's say, $10,000 worth of trading over Binance in his account. And he has paid, let's say, total of $100 or let's say $50 in terms of trading fee. So as a referral, I get some percentage reward of that trading fee settled to me from Binance. Well, there is no profit to Satish because he can make the account without having a referral code. So it's not, so Binance referral model is not mandatory referral model, which means, let me say, I'm sorry, not a mandatory referral model, which means we can sign up to Binance with referral code, and we can sign up to Binance, without referral code. It's no difference, right? But still, in early days, before people figured out that Binance is the best tech in terms of trading out in the market, how people come to know about it, because people started referring people. They said, okay, open your Binance account, use this code. Much easy for anyone because it's a referral link. They get the referral sign up page, they sign up with the code, and they are in the Binance. And yes, Binance was also giving the rewards earlier days in terms of Tron. At the beginning of Binance, to get the community, he was giving the referral codes to the referrers to ask people to sign up. And when they sign up, they get the rewards of Tron, some dollar worth of Tron, or some Trons like 50 Tron or 40 Trons in the beginning. That what made them achieve their first million community in a span of 72 hours, because for everyone, they were getting free Trons, and Tron was traded in the market already. So it's like the liquid money for people. So the person was happy because he was getting the percentage reward of trading fee from the referred account. And also the other guy who is creating the sign up, who's doing the sign up, spending his 2-3 minutes, whether he understands crypto or not, was getting some free money for Binance. And that's what made our first million community in 48 to 72 hours. Uh, okay, guys. So, are you following me? We are discussing something very, you know, uh, exciting. It sounds good. If it's sounding good to you, please raise your hands. Because we are talking about some financial transactions here. So, I'm talking about the benefits. Can I see more hands, please, if you're able to understand what I'm trying to explain with Binance? Thank you. Moving ahead. So anyone can find, it's not something which nobody knows. It's on Binance website. Just go ahead, find out. So I'm giving you this, like, this is a referral model which was not the network marketing referral model, but a very basic, simple referral model which gave the huge community to Binance in very early stage. So moving towards, I will talk about this in some time. So moving towards, what is Bitcoin Zero Cashback? Uh, Definitely, there were more than hundreds of the emails, people replying that is it the next network marketing, and many people excited because they wanted to know about the cashback offer and all those things. And when I'm doing this Zoom today, explaining about Binance referral model, definitely we are going to do the legit thing. We are going to do the best referral model like Binance, where the referrer is also happy, and the person who is a part of the cashback program is also happy, to give instant growth of community development, because 130,000 miners in 6 months is the target, and it has to be reached. So before that, let me show you some metrics here. So Bitcoin miners airdrop announcement, which was made approximately 3 months back, 2 months back. Uh, Total SHA 256 giveaway 100K. Telegram, 10,000 Telegram, 10,000 Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, 10,000, Discord and TikTok, 10,000, out of which 20,000 is finished. As you can see, it's more than 20,000, approximately 21,257 miners has already been distributed. Rest will be airdropped through new model, which will be explained. When I say rest will be airdropped through new model, is like so far we have airdropped around 21,000. 19,000 we are going to airdrop more on Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. We have one way of promotion, before the Genesis block, when people have to just create the Telegram groups, post on Twitter, retweet, right? The other 19,000 on airdrop will take place on Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Just the promotion model will be changed. I mean, promotion model will be like, we want to create some new content now. Since the DApp is live, we have all the metrics now. So instead of just just decentralized crypto, we need to provide the new content in order to claim, which I will tell you in my next Zoom, that how to claim the rest 19,000 miners over the social media channels. Don't continue with the same process anymore, because the rest will be airdropped through the new model, which will be explained. Already, the people who have shared their wallet addresses already before the Zoom, their wallets addresses are already accepted, and the new batch 10 has been prepared already. So don't worry, if your wallet address is submitted, you have not received, you will receive. But the further 19,000 airdrop will be through a new content model. The airdrop will be like before, same, but the content will be different, which we will discuss after 2-3 days. After that, there is CMC, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko airdrop, which we are keeping for future after getting listed, which will take, I believe, 2 more months, unless we don't have number of tokens available in the market and trading. So, and then some promotional websites and events, 20,000 BTCZ miners airdrop, which will be discussed. So right now we will keep continuing with the social media airdrop model. And I will explain what model is going to be required in order to receive the rest 19,000 miners, which are still available free to the miners holders. Please raise your hand if you understand me on this very clearly. How many of you understand me, please? And if you are excited to know about BTCZ cashback model also, I need more hands than this. More hands than this, of course. Thank you. So moving ahead, because this Zoom is getting longer than expected. So since everything is on blockchain, so no one can see, there is no change in any announcement. Announcements are same, something is same. 40K social media, out of 40K, 21K done, rest 19K will be on social media for free. Just the content will be changed, and we discuss about it in next 3 days. Then the like previously, the same model will continue. When it will be CMC and CG airdrop, people can participate again, and then some promotional events and the websites, because many crypto events are in the market now physically, and we are doing some promotional airdrops of miners. All these contents will be shared with the community. So moving ahead and getting back to the topic of what will be the Bitcoin Zero cashback, and then I have this row. Okay, so what is the Bitcoin Zero cashback? So airdrop 100K, out of which CMC and CG, CoinGecko, and promotional events 40 plus 20, 60K, which will be like, I believe CMC and CZ will take 3 months for us to list, because it needs certain volume and it needs certain supply as well. But don't worry, we don't need CMC and CZ. We don't need these places. We have been already decentralized working. But anyways, it will be listed because we need to do the airdrop to enhance more community. So we have a community of 13,000 miners. We still have 80,000 airdrop, 60K for CMC and CZ, total 100 already allotted. Already, yeah, already allotted, or not allotted, already let me say around 21K. So you have left 19K, which will be through new content, social media marketing. So let's expect that in next 2 weeks, this will finish the rest of the airdrop. So then what will happen after the this 19K will be finished, and then CMC and CG will be finished, the airdrop of 100K miners will be finished. And when we say 100K miners, it means a big 50,000 plus of community in the market will be created by then for Bitcoin Zero. This number of community in the market means more miners. Everyone always want to have more miner because you want to mine more. Mining is not costing you anything. So once the airdrop model is over, however, we are introducing it sooner, but anyways, it's a choice. So let me go to the DApp, share the DApp. So in DApp, basically you have this mint feature. Let me see NFT market today. Okay, so you can see people are buying and selling. Last time Zoom, it was 4.1K of trading volume on the peer-to-peer NFT marketplace. It's now 5.62. So people are buying and selling miners very well. Still in airdrop mode, but it's very surprising that people don't want to wait for their airdrop. They just want to start mining. Or it can be like I tell it about the BTCZ to someone, and then I ask him to buy, or he can buy from me. Like I said, anyone who is selling here or trading here, basically they are giving their miners to someone else. So probably they have more urgency, their mindset, right? After the airdrop is over, there will be two way of buying the miners. One way is to buy peer-to-peer, where you have price. It can be $1, $2 as well, because it's no cost for the airdrop miners. But this is one way, and the other way, if let's say somebody want to buy 1,000 miner after some time, or 100 miner after a few months, because mining is going to be big, and we understand the phenomena. So there is no doubt about BTCZ is one of the coolest DApp on Binance Smart Chain. I'm trying to make this news with Binance Smart Chain. Let's see. So the coolest DApp of 2022. So with such good, strong narrative and fundamentals. So what will happen that people will be buying miners either from the primary market, or people will be buying the miners either from the secondary market. And then after months, when you will have the new series of miners, see, airdrop is one time, right? Then you will have somebody else, more miners are coming, basically more buy and selling are going to happen of miners through just minting. If you click on mint, you will get one miner, you pay $249. So we are going to also provide the like Binance model, referral model on the uh, primary market, which is the SHA-256 miner marketplace, where the people who have the referral code, they will get 10% discount on the miner side. So what is the code? So your wallet address is your code. because every wallet address is unique. You don't need any sponsor code. The system does not have to generate any, any referral code for you. Each wallet is unique. My wallet is 68E1, so my wallet address is my referral code. So here will be an option if you have the referral code, which means if I have the wallet address, let's say Vivek gave the wallet address to me, ask me to use this address for a discount of 10%. I will put this wallet address here, and then I will pay 225, and I will get the miner for 225. If I don't have the referral wallet address, then I can still buy it for $249. So if somebody has the your wallet address as the referral code, that person gets 10% discount, getting it for $225. If no code, is still $249, which means following the same phenomena that the referral in Binance is not mandatory, so also referral is not mandatory. You need referral code, you don't need referral code, no difference. In Binance, the person who is doing the sign up is not getting benefited. The referrer who is referring with the code is getting benefited, and that is some percentage of fee from the referred account. But the guy who is the new sign up, the new member of Binance, has no benefits. Here, the person who is using the referrer code is getting 10% discount. On the other side, what is the benefit to the referrer? Your wallet address is your code. So if anyone who is minting miner from primary market have referrer code, which is basically the wallet address of your sponsor, get 10% discount on miner price. Okay, so Vivek told me to use this code and I will get 10% discount. Vivek is happy to tell me, and I'm happy because I received 10% discount. What Vivek is going to get? So for a sponsor or referrer who referred, the referrer, the person who referred, right? So the referrer gets also 10% cashback in ZWAT. So which is around $25 BUSD is equal to 12,050 as reward, as a cashback. So I introduced, Vivek introduced to me. I'm happy because I have a referral code, and I am getting the same miner for 10% discount. Instead of paying $249, I'm paying $225. If I am buying 10, then it's bigger amount of money for me as well. I'm happy. On the other side, Vivek received 10% cashback in ZWAT because Vivek is already mining. And what you need to harvest, you need ZWAT, which you buy. So basically, when you receive $25 as a cashback, which means you can harvest your BTCZ for zero cost. This 20% of discount came from miner side, so it won't impact any price of BTCZ. Price impact will not be there of BTCZ. So and 50 ZWAT in his MetaMask wallets. For him, harvesting is free up to $25 on one referral. If Vivek referred 10 people, he will receive 250 BUSD worth of ZWAT. If he referred to 100 people, he received 2,500 BUSD worth of ZWAT, which means he can harvest his BTCZ for free and sell it for 100% profit. Come on, guys. It's very easy to understand this model. Please raise your hand if you're happy. This is future huge income on the referral side for all the influencers, for all the people who are promoting already, have their channels. I need to see more hands because I'm talking about free harvesting for referrer or a sponsor and discount for the new miner in the community. But since we want to grow the system, here Vivek is referrer, right? Vivek is referrer and he received this. In order to receive 1250 ZWatt, the smart contract will check Vivek BTCZ wallet balance, which has to be minimum 1.0 BTCZ. So at the time of cashback of ZWatt, the smart contract will check if Vivek has 1 BTCZ as a balance. If he has 1 BTCZ as a balance, the ZWatt gets credited. Vivek can sell this balance after the ZWatt credit. There is this is not locking. This is just the rewarding check. So the 1250 ZWatt will go to Vivek or anyone, but there will be one check that contract address will see whether Vivek has 1 BTCZ or not. If Vivek has 1 BTCZ, 1250 ZWatt will be credited. If he doesn't have 1 BTCZ, then this ZWatt will not get credited. This will create very good number of holders for us, and without locking we cannot lock because it's in your wallet. First of all, you are not giving it to anyone. So just to make it more clear, let's say I'm going to get reward in next 5 minutes, and I have balance. I received the reward. After that, I can sell my BTCZ as well, or want to keep, up to me. It's your wallet. You are the wallet owner. It's your coin. You want to keep. If you don't want to keep, don't take your cash back. If you want to keep, take your cash back. Your decision. You are the owner of your crypto. You are the owner of your BTCZ. So we will be having it ready in 10 days max time. Implemented to DApp. Not 10 maximum, but I believe, yes, maximum 7 to 10 days after testing. So 7 to 10 days. So once, and the target also is to finish the rest airdrop of 90 miners. Is either you get the miner from the secondary market because airdrop is done, or you get the miner from the primary market. The people who have the miner, they know the value of their miner. So this is the next step we are going to perform, making more viral BTCZ with the community. The sponsor, the referrer, and the referee both are benefited, and it is the real money to both of them. It's the cash money to both of them. So this reward system will expedite the process of more miners, will make the price much more real instead of inflated price. More traders, more coins in market makes the price more real. I mean, I can use 1000 BUSD today and can make the price go to $50. Because that is sufficient to eat all the BTCZs that holders are having in their wallet. Everyone will sell, right? I will put the price to $15, people will sell. I put the price to $20, people will sell. $25, people will sell. So basically, I can do more traders, more number of tokens or coins out in the market, then we will see much better real price. But the harvesting cost will go up without a doubt. You understand this referral model is going to get millions of users to BTCZ platform. So your rewards are going to get smaller and smaller and smaller, which means your harvesting price will keep going up and up and up, which means BTCZ price will keep going up and up and up. Thank you so much, guys. I also would like to talk about ECN in my next to next Zoom, the benefit for the holders and the roadmap for that. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening ahead. The BTCZ cashback program, we congratulate each other. And this is the next social media promotion. This is the next cashback promotion for 19,000 miners. So the 19,000 miners will be promoted in the market with the content of Bitcoin Zero cashback. I will discuss about it on my next Zoom, which is on Sunday. Everybody is available to join. Sunday, we will talk about the rest 19,000 airdrop with the cashback content to the market in social media. And then you will have this cashback implemented and people can enjoy the cashback. The current miners, the current mining community, congratulations for getting ZWAT as cashback. This is all you need. You already have the miner, you already have the coins in your wallet, which you have not harvested. So congratulations to you, and congratulations, and we welcome to the new miners who are coming, bringing by the community, getting discount. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening ahead. I see you guys on Sunday. Good luck.
Thank you, sir. And thank you, everyone, for joining this session. See you on Sunday. Thank you.